Hello, in this video I want to show you how to edit your contact information for Facebook. So in order to do this, let's open our Facebook app, then click on your profile picture right here or this icon right there. Edit profile, scroll down, edit your about info, and here's the contact info, so let's edit it. Now you'll be able to change any information like your phone number, managing contact information. You can add another phone number or email address. You can also give your address, street, city, postcode, neighborhood, your social links, and your website. Now make sure to save the setting afterwards, and your contact info will be updated. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.